This is my senior bucket list project by Grant Michael. My bucket list item is to watch the Monaco GP in person. The Monaco GP is the Formula One race in Monaco. It is hosted each year in May. I had the opportunity to go this year as a guest with one of my friends, but it is the same week as graduation, and unfortunately I was not allowed. The cost of the trip would be upwards of $10,000. The plane ticket is about $2,400. You have to fly into Nice, Italy, then drive around 11 miles to Monaco. The ticket to the race is $7,000. The hotel I would stay in would be at Apartments Monaco. Being the cheapest option, it's still very expensive at $6,825 for 6 nights, so over $1,000 a night. The timeline, I would fly in on Tuesday the 24th, chill there for a while, go around and do things with my friends, then go to the practices on Friday the 27th, the qualifying on Saturday the 28th, and the race on Sunday the 29th, and fly back to home on Monday the 30th. And here's my works cited. Thank you.